Okay, let's give you guys some practice now. So find the function for which this infinite series represents. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this, well, this being your first term, so maybe you can think of something like this. This because this is your first term, maybe it's of this form to the power of maybe n here, and then and then and then you should hopefully you should spot that. Well, this is like this thing here is really like x to the power of 4 and then to the power of 3. So this matches up with this and then x to the power of 4. Well, if you have it to the power of 5, this power of 5 here matches up with this. So hopefully you can spot that this to the power of n over n, and then you can see that here you've got 3, 5, 7, all the odd numbers. If it's even, then think about 2n. If it's odd, then think about 2n plus 1. Because you only want to the power of odd numbers, then change this n here to 2n plus 1. So you're only interested in odd numbers, 2n plus 1, and change this because this has to match up with this. Change it to 2n plus 1, and then here you've got minus, plus, minus. Then you need that alternating component, which will be this. It could be n plus 1 or it could be n. Well, your first term, you want it to be positive, so have it as n. And then you've got your summation. Let's start at 0 to infinity. So now try and try and spot which function this thing appears in. So here you've got over 2n. Well, here you've got 2n plus. So here you've got 2n plus 1. Here you've got 2n plus 1, but factorial. So this is no good. Here you've got 2n factorial. This is no good. Here you've got n. That's no good. But then here you've got 2n plus 1. So here you've got 2n plus 1. And then here you've got something to the power of an odd number. Here you've got something to the power of an odd number. Here you've got something that alternates. Here you've got something that alternates. So you should be looking at inverse 10 of whatever here. Okay, so this series here, then you hopefully you can jump from here to here, and then when you get to this stage here, look at the table, and then that will then take you to inverse 10 of x to the power 4. So your series, this series here represents inverse 10 of x to the power of 4. I made a mistake here, sorry, to the